Hi, I'm Lavishwaran Pathiram from Chennai, India. This is my project zero for CS50W. This website has three web pages. We are currently on the first web page where we can navigate to the other web pages clicking the links on the top right. You can go to image search. This is the second web page. We can go back to the primary web page clicking on the top right. The third web page is advanced search. You can go back to the primary website by clicking on the top right link. This is a primary web page where we can query text in the input field event. Let me write Harvard for example and click Google search. We can see the results of the Harvard University which is provided to us by Google. This primary web page, namely index.html, is created uh, in according to Google's aesthetics like rounded input text and buttons and also top right buttons. We can go to image search by clicking on the top right link. Here we can query images using the input field given below. Let us type CS50 cat and click image search. We can see the results of the CS50 cat. We can search with advanced queries by going to the advanced search web page. Here there are four methods to search. The first one is all these words. All the words that you enter in this input field are shown in the result page. The second one is this exact word or phrase. The words you enter here or phrase you enter here are shown in the result pages. Any of these words. So if you enter two or more words over here, the web page contain any of these words are shown in the results. None of these words. The words you enter here, if the web pages of the results contain them, they are omitted from the search results. So let me show you an example. First, we'll enter all these words. Let's go with Harvard and Yale. This exact word or phrase. Let's go with Frank. Then we'll go football. Then baseball. Then none of these words. We'll go with computer. When we hit advanced search, we get the results. So we get the results for the 2004 Harvard Yale prank. This result contains Harvard Yale. It contains football or baseball. So you can see the result contains Harvard football. Then we can see prank over here, which we want definitely. So it comes over here. So we don't want computer. None of the results over here as a web page. It doesn't contain the word computer. Here, like Google's own advanced search page, the input fields are stacked vertically. You can see over here, it's stacked vertically. And the advanced search button is colored blue with white text. In the primary Google search web page, there is another option called I'm feeling lucky. Let's see what it is. If I enter Harvard and click on I'm feeling lucky, I get a redirect notice. This is to prevent users from going into malicious sites across the web. So we can click on the link over here and we get redirected to the first option on the Google's search engine for the result Harvard. The CSS I have written has matched with Google's own CSS and their styling as much as possible. You could see the Google row here centered and below that input field which are shadows and its rounded corners, and we could see the buttons which also has box shadow with outline when hovered. You can see the top right have uh, when hovering it has an underline over here with no other changes. You can see this page also matches with Google Images, and we can go to advanced search and we can see that this is an replica of the Google's advanced search page. So I've tried my best to match with Google's aesthetics. Thank you.